out how to solve that proportion.
Someone that the door makes the
Okay.
Pole. They can't find me. Oh, run for it. Hi, Mr. Armstrong.
Mr. Armstrong would like to see you.
But Jason, you got lucky.
Good, Jason. How about me? Oh, I found. Because I have an F.
Jason. No, one at a time. Just as soon as he comes in, you can go.
Oh, poor Jason.
All right.
Stop it, Moises.
All right. This time, I'm going to have you able to try and set up the proportional relationship. So please read this a couple of times and see if you can figure out